Well, after my nephew came and measured, I don't even know if you know about that yet. But anyway, he's coming to get the TrailManor to do some work to it. And I came out here earlier, as I showed you, and cleaned up stuff that needs to go in the house, stuff that needs to be stowed. Anyway, so in the mix of all that, I got to thinking, you know, if Spencer's going to come and pick this thing up, it needs to be travel ready. So I spent the last, I don't know, 10-15 minutes preparing the inside to close it up, so that when my nephew shows up, all I gotta do is close it down, which I might even do today. Anyway, all I gotta do is close it down, lock it up, and he's good to go. I'll probably go with him so I can videotape what he's doing, but I'll show you the inside. It's completely ready to close down and travel. I wish it was a travel trip for my camping, but so obviously, happiness is homemade sign. It's gone. And like I said, it only took me about 10, maybe 15 minutes to do all this. But the little sign I had right there under the window is gone. My cross is gone from up there. What is lighting? Anyway, those pads, like I said, they're in three separate pieces. They just come off, and I'll probably just put them down here on these pads, so they'll be good to go. These pads here don't have to come off, but this is all ready. Took my wind chimes down, took the stuff off the front door. Let me turn you around here without making you too dizzy. The countertop here is cleaned up. The lamp that was here is now under the cushion in the storage area. Oh yay, a train! My fave. And I need to go around and lift all these up all the way around. So I'm going to do that now. Everything above this level here is gone, put away, stowed away. And like I said, it didn't take me long at all. All the stuff I had here stowed in the cupboards below. Down and off. Hopefully this bed set up the way it is will close. Cross your fingers for me, okay, folks? Alright, let me get the door done. Just going to go around and unlock all four of these. I'm going to step behind here and give it a push. Cross your fingers for me. Usually this one's easier. There. So when my nephew gets here, I'll take these two locks off, and then I had wrapped these cables around and locked them so that through the propane tank, so somebody couldn't steal my propane tanks. And yeah, TrailManor's ready to go. Put the lock on there so the top doesn't open, and if the top can't open, the back will not open because the back has to go up and over it. Or, yeah, something like that. Alright, so we're good to go. There it is, all down. And I'm 5'3", so you can see. Of course, I'm standing in a hole. There, I'm 5'3", so it's just a little taller than me. which will be great because when I'm driving the truck, I think the cab of the truck will be high enough that I'll be able to see back here. Travel cam that I got, look over the RV when I'm driving. I don't know, maybe not though. And then I've got the, it's called a bag seal. Let's see, can you see that? That torn piece right there. I've got a new one for that, but I need some help putting it on because it takes a staple gun. Where is it? There it is. It takes a staple gun, and from what the other TrailManor owners are posting in that group, it's not a one-person job. So yeah. And now the TrailManor is ready. Okay. So that's enough for today. Oops, I just dropped my key. There it is. Whew. Has the key for the door. I'm just gonna, I kept it off this key ring because I'm gonna make another key ring. Because I have enough keys to make a key ring, make 2 key rings for a spare set. Okay, that's it for today. If I wasn't wiped out before, I am now. Later, guys.